Hello everyone, welcome to the Insight Edge Lab, where we discuss data analytics, machine learning, generative AI, Power BI, and SQL concepts in simple and practical way. If you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you have subscribed for more such informative videos. In this video, we are going to start with very basics. What is SQL, why it is important, and how it is used in real business scenarios. So let's get started. So imagine you are working as a data analyst in HR department of company named as ABC Private Limited. Company store employee data in employee table. The employee table stores employee details like employee ID, employee name, job, manager ID, hire date, salary, commission, and department number. So based on this data, HR needs to answer some questions. Questions like how many employee work as clerk, who has highest salary, which employees join after 2020. So now imagine there are 1000 plus employees in your organization and you are manually searching through the all 1000 employee record. So it is time consuming, or you can say not possible. So that's where the SQL comes into picture. So what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language, the language which used to communicate with the relational databases. It helps us retrieve, insert, update, and delete data easily. It allows analysts and developer to convert raw data into the meaningful information. Let's take a real-time scenario. You are working as a data analyst in HR department of ABC Private Limited company. Your HR manager says, I need quick report of all employees who is having job title as clerk, as we have to send their details to the finance team for salary benchmarking. So now imagine there are 1000 plus employees in your organization and you are manually searching through the 1000 plus employees record. So it is time consuming. So instead of searching manually, you just run a SQL query to check and instantly you get the list of all employee who is working as clerk. So that's the power of SQL. It saves hours of manual work with just one query. Now let's see practically. As we have employee table which store the data like employee ID, employee name, job, manager ID, hire date, salary, commission, and the department number. So now, as per our scenario, out of this all employee, we want to retrieve such employee who is working as clerk. Okay. So to do that, I will give a filter condition based on job. So select star from employee, which will give me the all data from the table. Now we want the data of such employee who is working as clerk. So I will give filter condition by using where clause and I will apply filter based on job, where job equal to clerk. And I will run this query. See, out of all employee, we are only able to see those employee who is having their job title as clerk. This is the way how we can communicate with the databases. Now, let's talk about why SQL is important. Talking about data management, company generate massive amount of data on daily basis, like employee record, payroll data, performance data. So SQL helps to keep those data organized and accessible. Talking about decision making, so HR and management use SQL report for make important business decisions like promotion of the employee, hiring train, or you can say salary adjustments as well. Talking about the integration with the tools, so SQL is everywhere and it is simple to integrate with the tools like Excel, Power BI, and also languages like Python, R, and even with the generative AI systems as well. Also, talking about data accuracy and consistency, SQL ensures that the data is clean, standardized, and up to date across the all systems. And also, SQL is using automation and reporting as well. So let's see where the SQL is used. SQL is not limited to the HR domain only. So it is used in across almost every business domain. Talking about finance domain, to track revenue, expenses, and profit and loss using SQL queries. Also, in the finance domain, SQL helps to prepare financial dashboard and budgeting reports as well. Talking about sales domain, to analyze daily sales, transaction, and regional performance, to identify top selling product and sales growth. Right? Talking about the IT domain, to ensure data security and smooth databases operation, SQL is used. In data analytics, to transform, clean, and analyze massive amount of data for business insights. Like that, SQL is very important. So similarly to other domain, SQL is also used in operations and inventory to monitor stock level, supplier details, purchase history. It helps to ensure efficient supply chain management through the SQL report. So no matter in which field you are, SQL will always be part of your toolkit. So to summarize, SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It helps you to manage and interact with the relational databases. It is used in almost every domain and it's one of the most important in demand skill in the IT industry today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video.